Bonjour, friends. Today we are making an easy French Dijon mustard chicken with potatoes, all baked in one dish until the chicken is golden and the sauce is creamy. It serves 4 people and takes about 1 hour, making it a cozy, realistic dinner for any night of the week. Let us walk through the ingredients before we start cooking. For bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs give this dish juicy meat and beautifully browned skin in the oven. 1 1/2 pounds baby potatoes roast right in the same dish and soak up the mustardy pan juices. 1 yellow onion adds sweetness as it softens and caramelizes around the chicken. 3 cloves of garlic bring a savory base that makes the mustard sauce taste fuller. 1/4 cup Dijon mustard is the classic French flavor here, sharp, creamy, and perfect with chicken. 2 tablespoons olive oil help the mustard spread evenly and encourage good roasting. 1 tablespoon honey gently rounds out the Dijon without making the chicken taste sweet. 1 teaspoon dried thyme gives the tray bake a simple French herb aroma. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the chicken and potatoes from the beginning. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper adds a gentle bite behind the mustard. 1/2 cup heavy cream turns the pan juices into a silky sauce near the end of baking. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley finish the plate with color and freshness. Begin by heating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit so it is ready for the chicken and potatoes to roast evenly. Now cut 1 1/2 pounds baby potatoes in half, so they cook through at the same pace as the chicken. Slice 1 yellow onion into thin ribbons, which will soften under the chicken and add sweetness to the sauce. Mince 3 cloves of garlic finely, because small pieces blend smoothly into the Dijon coating. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and the minced garlic. Whisk the mixture until it looks smooth and glossy, with the garlic and thyme evenly suspended in the mustard. Add the halved potatoes and sliced onion to the ivory baking dish, spreading them into an even layer. Spoon about 1/3 of the Dijon mixture over the potatoes and onion, then toss until the vegetables are lightly coated. Pat 4 chicken thighs dry, then coat them all over with the remaining Dijon mixture so every piece is seasoned. Nestle the coated chicken thighs skin side up on top of the potatoes and onion, leaving a little space between the pieces for browning. Bake the dish uncovered for 35 minutes, until the chicken skin starts to brown and the potatoes begin to turn tender. After 35 minutes, carefully pull the dish from the oven and pour 1/2 cup heavy cream around the chicken, not directly over the crisping skin. Return the dish to the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, until the sauce bubbles, the potatoes are tender, and the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part. Now that the chicken is fully cooked, let the dish rest for 5 minutes so the juices settle and the cream sauce thickens slightly. Finish by sprinkling 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley over the hot chicken and potatoes, closing the cooking with a fresh green lift. Here is our easy French Dijon mustard chicken, with golden skin, tender potatoes, and that cozy creamy sauce we promised at the start. Serve it hot with a simple green salad or a piece of crusty bread for the sauce. If you enjoyed this oven-cooked French dinner, like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy recipes at home.